Hello, Direct Dan. So, first of all, congratulations sa Ano Ba Show. Best actress si Gabby and ang ganda ng movie namin reviews and
Best cinematography.
Yeah. So, how does it feel?
Overwhelmed and very thankful sa nangyari. Papasalamat ako sa una sa Mentor for partnering with us at sa CMD, sa EO, sa Permanent 6. Then salamatan ko lang yung mga nakalimutan ko sa so super thankful and overwhelmed.
And
do you have any upcoming movie projects po? Lalo na nami-miss ka na rin po sa commercial, like sa full length.
Hintay tayo ng announcement. Sana meron soon. Hintay tayo ng announcement. Official announcement.
Kasi nami-miss ka na rin po sa rom-com, no? General Mercado's movie.
Salamat naman po. Thank you very much.
is there a chance po yung Ano Ba Show is ma-release siya nationwide? Ma-release nationwide?
Tinignan muna namin kung balak muna namin siya i-festivals. Tapos after the festival, so papanungin namin kung paano ipapalabas sa wider audience for the Philippines.
Tapos po, is this your first time po na makasama sa Cinemalaya?
Ay, hindi. This is actually my 5th time.
Wow.
To DOP ang Cinemalaya. Actually, all in all, parang 7 films na ako sa Cinemalaya. I shot Still Life in 2007, Huling Pasada in 2008. Directed and shot Mayuhan in 2010. So again, dami. Quick Change in 2013. Hope Me and Iti Mapupukoy produced last year. Tapos Ano Ba Show this year as director, as DOP and producer.
So how does it feel naman na halos parang every year or every Cinemalaya nagkakasama? Lalo na po ngayon 28th year.
Super happy and proud with Cinemalaya baby. I started my career with Cinemalaya. So ito yung nagbigay sa akin ng break. So sobrang happy and thankful ako. Kaya willing kami to help filmmakers who need help dito sa industry. Para si Jane, yung ginagawa niya yung Ano Ba Show.
Mas na-enjoy niyo po ba yung paggawa ng Cinemalaya movie compare sa full-length na commercial release, mainstream?
I wouldn't say mas enjoy. Magkaiba siya apples and oranges eh. May kanya-kanya kasing challenges parehas. So you have to see the positive and enjoy kung ano man yun. And then just hindi naman ignore but be better than the negative parts of it.
What was your last mainstream movie
That I directed?
Yeah.
It's Just Baggage pa, 2018.
Angelica Pangaliban.
Tagal na.
Namimiss niyo na ba? Namang-mix trade?
Namimiss ko din. Pero, ayun, pero right now ngayon super happy ako sa pagiging DOP babalik sa pagiging cinematographer. So, ayun, so super happy with that.
So yan, given that said mo na parang tagal nyo na po nag-mainstream yung Excess Baggage pa. Ngayon po kasi may movie yung Kim Chiu and si Paolo. So wala pa pong director or any announcer. So are you willing to be part of it po ba? If ever?
Given a chance?
Given a chance.
According to schedule. And kung ano, why not? I've worked with Kim a lot of times na before. Tsaka si Pao. I produced a film for Tonet, yung Fangirl, di ba? So yung dalawang yun, super love ko work, super professional, mahusay ng mga actor. Masaya ka at trabaho. Kung you look forward to being on set dahil pag sila yung work mo. So, yun, masaya. So, kung bigyan sa akin chance, why not?
How about Catherine Bernardo po and Alden, if given a chance?
Oo naman. Si Alden hindi ko ba nakaka-work. Pero si Kat, I shot 2 of her films before. She's Dating the Gangster and Crazy Beautiful You.
Katniel po, no? Katniel era. Ayan. If ever po given a chance, ano yung parang genre na gusto nyong i-direct sa kanila?
Ay, parang masarap siyang murder mystery.
Yeah.
No? Para ma-push talaga yung magaling yung dalawa, so i-push natin.
Very active po ba? So, ngayon sila kasi di pa nakapag-Cinemalaya. So if ever ba gusto nyo silang makasama sa Cinemalaya?
Oo
kasi
naman.
kayo magkadirect.
Oo naman, why not? Why not?
And yung murder mystery na yun.
Oo, murder mystery.
Kamusta naman po si Jeneline Mercado sa mga previous mga movies niya?
Okay naman. I love Jen. So, like, alam mo kami last na nagkita.
All of you.
Pandemic pa yun.
Yeah.
Last na nagkita eh. Pero ayun, okay naman. Ano si Jen eh. Masarap din ang work kasi.
At saka dahil sa inyo direct, nagkaroon siya ng second times Best Actress. Walang forever in English only.
Yeah.
Ayan. Kung sakali magka-reunion kayo, open pa rin pa kayo?
Ano no? Sorry?
If ever na magka-reunion kayo ulit, of course, siguro with Dennis, no? Are you willing to do it?
Yeah. For Jen, yeah. Oo naman. Hindi yun.
Grabe, no? Kasi napanood ko kasi, so nami-miss ko na rin, yung ganong mga genre na out of the box na rom-com din. At saka dahil sa inyo, Direk, naging rom-com queen po siya. How does it?
Salamat naman. Thank you very much.
Anong na-feel niyo po na, yun yung naging title niya, rom-com queen dahil sa mga movies na
Dinirect
kayo po yung
niyo.
nag-direct?
Siyempre, parang flattered na na-include yung pangalan ko, di ba? Pero, sa totoo lang, it's Hollard. Magaling siya dyan.
Kung gagawa kayo ng movie ulit together with Dennis or Jenny Lee, ano kaya sa klase dyan kayo or ganun?
Promise. Kaya sabi ko, obsessed ako sa suspense ngayon eh. Suspense, murder mystery, parang gano'n. Parang yun kasi masarap pasukin. So kaya parang, yun, sana hopefully.
Actually, sikat yan direct sa TV, no? Yung kay Bea, yung Widow's War. Murder mystery din siya, talagang taas ang rating. Kaya parang, sabi niyo nga direct, in line na yung mga Pinoy sa ganong mga series.
Yeah.
Sana movies naman, tas kayo yung...
Sana sumunod. Sana.
Yeah, hopefully. Ayan. Thank you po!
Thank you very much, Cinemalaya. Pangarap ko to, it's been a dream. I'm 44 years old. This is my first film, and it's not... I'm really very thankful for the whole Cinemalaya team, for holding us and for giving us a platform, even if it's very personal. Maraming salamat to the Project 8 Projects team, Direk Dan Villegas, who have mentored me since day one. Maraming salamat. To Brian for giving me and us the opportunity to make this film. Kung wala kayong lahat, the whole team, kung hindi nyo ako ginabayan at hindi nyo ako sinuportahan, I wouldn't be able to tell this story. To the two lead actresses who have helped me and who have given me a chance to do this film with the both of you. You are both heaven sent. Domori Kato Gusaimas, Arisa-san and Gabi. To my parents, to my mother, who I'm pretty sure sobrang proud niya ngayon. At yung tatay ko, kung nasan ka man pa, I'm here standing in front of all of these people, amazing people, with this award. To my son, Sunday, I hope balang araw you'll be able to find the film. Hopefully when you are in that particular position or situation, that you will find this particular film speaking to you. This is for you. And to Jai, thank you very much for standing beside me all throughout this journey. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.